So let's start with up to £10,000. So I'd love to say you could get a full kitchen for under £10,000, but these days, or since COVID, it's been harder and harder to achieve that, and it's certainly not something we've done in the last 5 years or so. If your budget is under £10,000, you're usually looking at a kitchen refresh rather than a full new kitchen. And what I mean by refresh is commonly we will remove all the doors and end panels and plinths and cornice and pelmets and all the bits that you see from the outside, and we can replace them with maybe something a little bit more modern, or whatever style you want. So it looks like a brand new kitchen, but the layout stays the same, and your internal, so your actual cabinetry stays the same. It's a way to give the effect of a new kitchen without spending too much. Within that as well, within the £10,000, we can generally include replacing the worktops too and the appliances. So 9 times out of 10 with these, we tend to keep the same integrated appliances such as your dishwasher, integrated fridge, freezers, things like that. But certainly the ones that you see on the outside, so your ovens, your hob, your extractors, they tend to get replaced in jobs like these. There's usually more labour than people anticipate with door swap jobs, just because obviously swapping a door is very, very easy to do. But changing things like end panels is quite hard when you're not removing the full kitchen. So it can be quite a time-consuming process, but generally we can keep these under the 10k mark. Thanks for watching, and good luck planning your kitchen project.